His Excellency President Benigno S. Aquino III, ang ating Pangulo. Nippon ni yokoso.
Honorable Secretaries of the Cabinet, honored guests, and the wonderful members of Japan are mostly composed of mothers. Bayang Sinilangan, a mother's heart.
Ang ating Consul General sa Osaka at ang mga honorary independents. The Filipino community in Japan is one of the largest wide range of professions and backgrounds, but they also share several things in common. Country will be proud of and to keep the embers of nationalism of our forebears that have worked hard to
Po, thank you, Ambassador Lopez.
Benigno S. Aquino III.
Secretary Cesar Purisimo is the head of the economic cluster. Also Cebuano. No? No. No. Pati na yung pinakaliblib na lugar sa Canada, meron rin. No? Yung kurso ng pagbasa ng panahon. Kung uulan, taon. Kaya nga po, ngayon ay patuloy na nagsasanay ng mga bagong meteorologists ang ating mga state universities and colleges. Pino, ganda gabi po. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.